Hey Maggie, do you have hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Oh, but Maggie. Oh, someone has the hiccups. Oh.